There comes a moment in every life when the noise disappears, the phone stops ringing, the invitations slow down, the people who promised they would always be there suddenly become strangers. At first it feels like loss, it feels like rejection. It feels like the world has turned its back on you. But what if that silence isn't your enemy? What if it is the greatest opportunity you will ever receive? Most people are terrified of being alone because they have never learned how to face themselves. They fill every empty space with distractions. They chase attention instead of growth. They search for approval instead of purpose. They would rather be surrounded by people who slow them down than stand alone and become who they were created to be. But real transformation has never required a crowd. It has always required courage. When you are alone, there is nobody to blame, nobody to impress, nobody to hide behind. The mirror becomes impossible to avoid. You begin to see every weakness, every excuse, every habit that has been stealing your future. That truth can hurt, but pain has a purpose. Pain exposes what comfort tries to hide. The moment you stop running from that truth is the moment your rebuilding begins. Don't confuse loneliness with failure. They are not the same thing. There are seasons when life separates you from the familiar because it is preparing you for something greater. Every strong foundation is built before the building rises. Nobody celebrates the foundation because it is buried beneath the surface. Yet without it, everything collapses. Your private season is your foundation. It may not look impressive today, but it determines how high you will stand tomorrow. While everyone else is looking for shortcuts, you are building strength. While everyone else is waiting for motivation, you are creating discipline. While everyone else is chasing comfort, you are developing character. These are the things that cannot be bought, borrowed, or copied. They are earned one decision at a time. The hardest battles are not fought against other people. They are fought against the voice inside your own mind that tells you to quit, to settle, to wait until tomorrow. That voice will always offer excuses that sound reasonable. It will tell you that you are too tired, too late, too broken, too ordinary. If you listen long enough, those excuses become your identity. But the day you decide that your future matters more than your feelings, everything changes. Growth is uncomfortable because it demands a version of you that has never existed before. It asks you to wake up when you don't feel like it. It asks you to keep going when nobody notices. It asks you to believe in yourself before there is any evidence that your dream will work. That is what separates ordinary lives from extraordinary ones. Not talent, not luck, not perfect timing. The willingness to continue when there is no applause. Your lonely season is where your habits are formed. It is where your standards are raised. It is where your confidence stops depending on compliments and starts depending on commitment. Every promise you keep to yourself becomes another brick in the foundation of your future. Every early morning, every extra hour of work, every difficult choice is shaping someone stronger than you were yesterday. Stop measuring your progress by who is standing beside you. Measure it by who you are becoming. The goal was never to collect the biggest crowd. The goal was always to build the strongest character. Crowds can disappear overnight. Character remains when everything else falls apart. There will be days when nobody understands your vision. Let them misunderstand. There will be days when people question your decisions. Let them question. There will be days when they laugh because they cannot see what you see. Keep working anyway. Your responsibility is not to convince everyone else. Your responsibility is to become the person your future requires. Preparation is rarely exciting while it is happening. It is repetitive. It is demanding. It is often invisible. Yet every repetition is making you stronger. Every sacrifice is teaching you endurance. Every lonely moment is sharpening your focus. You are becoming someone who can carry responsibilities that your old self could never handle. Do not rush this season. Do not waste it wishing for constant attention. Learn from it. Embrace it. Build inside it. One day the opportunities will arrive and people will wonder where your confidence came from. They will think success happened overnight. They will never see the countless mornings you chose discipline over excuses, the evenings you stayed committed when nobody was watching, or the moments you refused to surrender when giving up would have been easier. Walk through this season with your head held high. Not because it is easy, but because it is necessary. Every challenge is teaching resilience. Every setback is building wisdom. Every quiet day is preparing you for louder victories. You are not being forgotten, you are being forged. So if you find yourself walking alone today, do not mistake it for abandonment. See it for what it truly is, preparation. The world may not notice your effort yet, but your future is being shaped by every choice you make right now. Stay focused, stay committed, stay hungry. Keep building in the dark because the strongest people are not made under the spotlight. They are made in the moments when nobody is watching and they refuse to stop. There is a version of you that is holding your future hostage. It is the version that keeps making excuses, keeps choosing comfort over growth, keeps waiting for the perfect moment, and keeps believing that tomorrow will somehow fix what today refuses to change. If you want a different life, you cannot keep protecting the person who created the life you already have. Change begins the moment you stop negotiating with your limitations. The greatest obstacle standing between you and your dream is not your competition. It is not your background. It is not your lack of resources. It is the habits you refuse to let go. Every excuse you repeat becomes another chain around your potential. Every delay becomes another day your future is postponed. Every moment you choose comfort over discipline is another opportunity handed to someone who wanted it more. The old version of you wants easy. It wants convenience. It wants rewards without sacrifice. It wants confidence without preparation. It wants success without struggle. But life does not work that way. The strongest people are not the ones who avoid hardship. They are the ones who use hardship to become someone stronger than they were yesterday. You cannot carry yesterday's mindset into tomorrow's opportunities. Every new level demands a new person. It demands better decisions, higher standards, greater discipline, and relentless consistency. If you refuse to grow, your opportunities will eventually become your frustrations because you will not be prepared to handle them. Stop introducing yourself to the world with your past. Stop saying that's just who I am. That sentence has destroyed more dreams than failure ever could. You are not trapped by your history. You are trapped only if you refuse to create a better future. Your past explains you, but it does not define you. Every sunrise gives you another chance to make decisions that your old self never had the courage to make. There comes a point where you have to become tired of disappointing yourself, tired of starting and quitting, tired of talking instead of acting, tired of making promises you never keep. Nobody can reach that point for you. Nobody can make that decision on your behalf. The responsibility belongs to you. The power belongs to you. The next chapter belongs to you. Real growth feels uncomfortable because it demands sacrifice. It asks you to wake up while everyone else is sleeping. It asks you to keep learning when others are scrolling through distractions. It asks you to stay focused when the world offers endless reasons to lose your attention. Every difficult choice is building a stronger identity. Every disciplined action is proving that your future matters more than your temporary comfort. There will be moments when the old version of yourself tries to return. It will whisper familiar excuses. It will remind you how easy it was to quit before. It will convince you that one missed day does not matter. One lazy decision becomes two. Two become 10. Before long, you find yourself living the same life you promised to leave behind. That is why discipline is not a one-time decision. It is a daily commitment to becoming someone better than yesterday. You do not need permission to change. You do not need approval to improve. Some people will become uncomfortable when they see you growing because your discipline reminds them of the excuses they continue to make. Let them be uncomfortable. Your responsibility is not to fit into their expectations. Your responsibility is to become the person your purpose demands. Every champion has a moment when they stop acting like for easier circumstances and start demanding more from themselves. That is the turning point. The day you stop blaming your environment and start mastering your habits is the day your future begins to change. You may not control every situation, but you always control your response. That response determines your direction. The mirror never lies. Look at yourself honestly. Identify every habit that weakens you, every fear that limits you, every excuse that keeps you standing still. Then make a decision that those things no longer deserve a place in your life. Do not fight to preserve a version of yourself that has already reached its limit. Fight to become the person you know you are capable of becoming. Growth is built through thousands of ordinary decisions repeated over time. One more workout, one more page read, one more hour of focused work, one more promise kept. These moments may seem small, but they create extraordinary lives. Success is rarely one massive breakthrough. More often, it is the result of refusing to abandon the process. Your future is waiting for a version of you that does not yet exist. That person is more disciplined, more resilient, more focused, and more courageous than the person standing here today. The only way to meet that future is to let go of the identity that no longer serves you. Leave behind the excuses. Leave behind the fear. Leave behind the comfort that has quietly stolen years from your life. Do not mourn the old version of yourself. Thank that version for bringing you this far, then leave it behind without looking back. Today is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming intentional. It is about making one decision after another that moves you closer to the life you were created to build. Burn the excuses, break the habits, raise your standards. Commit to the process. Then keep moving forward until the person you once were becomes someone you barely recognize. And the person you have become inspires others to believe that transformation is always possible. The strongest habits are built when nobody is watching. Not when the cameras are rolling, not when the crowd is cheering, not when people are posting your success. They are built in the quiet moments when the alarm rings before sunrise and there is no audience to impress. They are built when every excuse sounds reasonable, yet you choose action anyway. That is where discipline is born, not in the spotlight, but in the shadows. Too many people depend on recognition to stay committed. They work hard only when someone notices. They stay consistent only when they receive compliments. They measure their progress by likes, applause, and approval. But the truth is, if your commitment depends on recognition, your success will always depend on someone else's opinion. That is a dangerous place to build your future. You have to reach a point where your standards are higher than your emotions. There will be mornings when you feel tired. There will be evenings when quitting seems easier than continuing. There will be days when nothing goes according to plan. Feelings will always change, but discipline remains steady. It shows up whether you feel motivated or not. It keeps moving whether the journey feels exciting or exhausting. Sex is not built on the days when everything feels easy. It is built on the days when everything feels difficult and you refuse to stop. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you strengthen your character. Every time you choose effort over excuses, you prove that your future matters more than your temporary comfort. Those small victories may seem invisible today, but they are quietly creating the life you have always imagined. Stop waiting for someone to tell you that you are doing a good job. Stop expecting encouragement before you begin. There are seasons in life when nobody will notice your effort. Nobody will understand your vision. Nobody will celebrate your sacrifices. Keep working anyway. Your purpose is not dependent on public approval. Your mission does not become less important because other people fail to recognize it. Think about the strongest buildings in the world. Before anyone admires the structure, workers spend countless hours creating a foundation hidden beneath the surface. Most people never see it, yet it supports everything above it. Discipline works the same way. The work nobody sees becomes the strength everybody notices later. Your invisible effort is preparing you for visible success. Every day gives you a choice. You can protect your comfort or you can protect your future. You cannot always have both. Comfort feels good in the moment, but it often steals tomorrow's opportunities. Discipline demands sacrifice today so you can experience freedom later. Every decision you make is either building your dream or delaying it. There will always be people who achieve quick attention, but attention fades. Character lasts. Recognition comes and goes. Integrity remains. Build the kind of discipline that survives disappointment, criticism, failure, and silence. Build the kind of discipline that keeps moving forward when the excitement disappears. Anyone can start with enthusiasm. Very few continue with determination after the excitement is gone. Your greatest competition is not another person. It is the version of yourself that wants to settle for less than your potential. Every single day, that version whispers excuses. It says you deserve a break before you have earned one. It tells you that missing one day will not matter. It encourages you to lower your standards just enough to remain average. Do not listen. Excellence is never created by lowering expectations. It is created by raising them every single day. Learn to celebrate your own consistency. You do not need an audience to know that you are improving. You know when you stay disciplined instead of giving in. You know when you kept your word. You know when you continued despite the obstacles. Those victories are worth more than temporary praise because they are transforming you from the inside out. There will be moments when progress feels slow. You will question whether your effort is making a difference. Keep going. Seeds do not become trees overnight. Strength is not developed in a single workout. Wisdom is not gained after reading one book. Every meaningful achievement requires patience. Discipline teaches you to trust the process even when the results have not yet appeared. Imagine where your life could be 1 year from now if you refuse to break the promises you make to yourself. Imagine waking up with confidence because you know your actions match your ambitions. Imagine looking back at today's struggles and realizing they became the foundation of tomorrow's success. That future is not reserved for a lucky few. It belongs to those who remain committed long after everyone else has given up. Never confuse silence with failure. Just because people are not applauding does not mean you are not growing. Some of the greatest transformations happen where nobody can see them. The strongest minds are developed in private. The deepest confidence is built through repeated acts of self-discipline. By the time the world notices your success, the real victory has already happened within you. So keep showing up, keep learning, keep training, keep improving, keep choosing discipline over distraction, purpose over comfort, and consistency over excuses. Let your work become your reputation before your words ever do. Let your actions speak so loudly that recognition becomes a byproduct instead of a goal. Build a life that does not depend on applause. Because when your commitment comes from within, nothing outside of you has the power to stop your progress. The world may cheer one day, or it may not. Either way, you will keep moving forward because you have discovered something greater than recognition. You have built unshakable discipline. There comes a time when talking has to end. The promises, the excuses, the endless explanations, they all lose their value if your life never changes. The world is full of people announcing what they are going to do. Very few quietly disappear, put in the work, and return with undeniable results. Let your transformation become your introduction. Let your progress become your voice. There is a level of success where words are no longer necessary because your actions say everything that needs to be said. Stop trying to convince people that you are capable. Stop chasing approval from those who never believed in you. Every minute spent arguing about your potential is a minute stolen from building it. You do not need everyone's permission to become extraordinary. You only need the courage to keep moving when nobody else understands your vision. There will always be people who underestimate you. Some will laugh at your goals because they cannot imagine achieving them themselves. Others will remind you of your past every chance they get. They will tell you that you have failed before, that you are not talented enough, that your dream is too big. Listen carefully, then let every doubt become fuel. Every criticism can become another reason to grow stronger if you refuse to carry it as a burden. Do not waste your energy trying to prove someone wrong with arguments. Prove them wrong with your consistency. Every early morning matters. Every disciplined decision matters. Every hour spent improving your skills matters. Success is built one choice at a time, and those choices eventually become results that no opinion can erase. There is a difference between being busy and becoming better. Many people fill their days with activity but never move closer to their purpose. They stay occupied, yet they remain unchanged. Make sure your effort has direction. Every book you read, every skill you practice, every challenge you overcome should move you toward becoming the person your future demands. Growth is intentional. Excellence is intentional. Greatness never happens by accident. Your comeback is not about revenge. It is about becoming someone you can finally respect when you look in the mirror. The greatest victory is not making your critics silent. It is replacing your own self-doubt with confidence that has been earned through discipline. Confidence built on compliments disappears when criticism arrives. Confidence built on preparation remains steady because it is rooted in action. There will be days when nobody notices your effort. Keep working. There will be weeks when progress feels invisible. Keep improving. There will be months when it seems like nothing is changing. Stay committed anyway. The strongest breakthroughs often happen after long seasons of unseen preparation. What feels like delay may actually be development. Do not rush the process because lasting success cannot be rushed. Strong roots grow before tall trees appear. Powerful foundations are built before remarkable buildings rise. Your quiet season is giving you the strength to carry opportunities that would have overwhelmed the person you used to be. Every challenge is increasing your capacity. Every setback is sharpening your resilience. Every obstacle is teaching lessons that comfort never could. One day, people who overlooked you will notice the difference. They will wonder where your confidence came from. They will ask how you became so focused, so disciplined, so determined. They will think the change happened overnight because they only saw the result. They did not see the sacrifices. They did not see the mornings when you chose effort over excuses. They did not see the nights when you kept going despite exhaustion. They did not see the battles you fought inside your own mind. That hidden work is the reason visible success finally arrives. Do not let success make you comfortable. The moment you believe you have arrived is the moment growth begins to slow down. Keep learning, keep improving, keep raising your standards. Every achievement should become the starting point for your next level, not the finish line. The most successful people never stop becoming students of their own potential. Remember who you were before the transformation. Remember the fear that once controlled you. Remember the habits that held you back. Not so you can return to them, but so you never forget how far you have come. Gratitude keeps you humble. Discipline keeps you growing. Purpose keeps you moving forward. Your life has the power to inspire people you may never meet. Someone is watching how you respond to adversity. Someone is looking for proof that change is possible. When they see your consistency, your resilience, and your refusal to quit, they realize that their own transformation is possible too. That is why your journey matters. Your determination can become someone else's hope. So disappear from the noise if you have to. Walk away from distractions. Step back from the need for constant validation. Invest your time where it produces growth. Build your mind. Strengthen your character. Sharpen your skills. Develop habits that continue long after motivation fades. Become so committed to your purpose that every day adds another layer of strength to the person you are becoming. Then, when the time is right, return with a level of discipline that cannot be questioned, a mindset that cannot be shaken, and results that cannot be ignored. Do not return seeking applause. Do not return searching for recognition. Return because you became everything you once promised yourself you would become. Return because your actions now speak louder than your words ever could.